a tutorial on how to sign up for Vendi Cart, Australia's first self-attending golf hire carts. Go to vendicart.vendigolf.com.au. Type in your email, type in your name, and your mobile number, your driver's license number, and your expiry date. Click the calendar at the top, click the year of expiry, the month and the day. Create a password of 8 characters. You can create, I've got 9 here, I beg your pardon. I'll just fix that for you. Some have a referral source, some don't. We do have privacy policy. Click on that. Feel free to read that, and we do encourage you to do so. Agree and submit. It now takes you into your upload driver's license. So what you need to do is browse or drag and drop. Take a photo of your driver's license and upload it to your computer at home, or snap it from your mobile phone. We have one here. We can just drag it in and it'll upload the driver's license. Success! We can now go about and hire a cart. Click on the hire a cart button, click the club you wish to book at, select the day. I might play tomorrow morning at the beautiful Hamilton Golf Club. Select your hire duration. I just want to have 3 hours. The terms and conditions of Vendi Hire are here. Please read those. Click and it takes you to the payment page. Use your usual credit card details, submit, and then when you have that, you will receive your booking confirmation. It's pretty easy. Vendi Cart. vendicart.vendigolf.com.au. Check us out on our webpage at vendigolf.com.au. There's a how-to page there as well, which also shows you how to hire a cart at Vendi, so you can see this video again. Any problems, give us a call on 1300 Vendicom, 1300 836 342, or get in touch. We hope you enjoy your Vendi Cart experience.